Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today we will help you on how to configure CDN resource for your insecure website HTTP. First of all, you have to log into your client area. For that, click on the Customer Login option on our website. Enter email address as a username and password which you have set during the sign-up process and click on the Login button to log in the client area. Congratulations, you are logged in the client area. Click on the Services option, after then click on the My Services option. Here you can see all the services which you have purchased. Select the CDN service and click on the Active button. Scroll down the screen and click on the new CDN resources. In CDN resource type, you have to select HTTP pull resources and click on the HTTP button under resource type. In CDN resource properties, first one is CDN hostname. Here you have to enter CDN hostname for your domain name. For example, if your domain name is example1.com, your CDN hostname will be cdn.example1.com. The second option is origins. Here you have to enter the domain name from where your data will be pulled. This will be your domain name on which you want to enable CDN service. Here we have entered example1.com as an example. In SSL mode option, you have to select the option without SSL recommended from the drop-down list. In the Edge groups, tick on the box and click on the Create CDN resource. Once you click on the Create CDN resource will be created, and you will get a message on the screen that CDN resource was successfully created. Now you have to add a CNAME record for the CDN hostname which can be used to pull the contents of your website. For CNAME record, click on the Details button. In the DNS settings, you will get the CNAME records of your CDN hostname. You have to add this CNAME record in your DNS zone. There are two ways to update the CNAME record in your DNS zone. First one is from the Hosting Control Panel or DNS provider. The second one is manually from the DNS zone by login in the VPS or dedicated server. Let's see how to add CNAME record in the DNS zone from the Website Control Panel. Here we have used Solid CP as control panel to manage DNS records. Click on the Domains under System option. Click on the domain name, example1.com. Click on the Edit DNS Zone record. Once you click on it, DNS Zone will be opened. Click on the Add record. In the record type, select CNAME record from the drop-down list. In record name, you have to enter CDN. In record data, enter the CDN resource code and click on the Save button. Once you click on the Save button, the CNAME record will be added and you can see it in the DNS Zone record list. Please note that once you add the CNAME record from the Hosting Control Panel or DNS provider, please allow a few hours to propagate CNAME around the world. Let's see the example on how to use CDN resource in the website code. If you want to pull the images of your website through the CDN service, you have to replace the domain name with the CDN hostname in the website code. Here is an example. Suppose this is your actual image path. imgsrc equals http://example1.com/images/image1.png. From where the images are loaded on your website and you want to pull it through CDN service. For that, you have to replace the domain name example1.com with CDN hostname cdn.example1.com. Once you replace it with the CDN hostname, it will look like imgsrc equals http://cdn.example1.com/images/image1.png. If you don't know how to configure CDN service on your website, please don't worry about it. We have prepared a knowledge base article on how to integrate CDN service with general website. From this article you can easily configure it without the help of anyone. You can view it by clicking on the instruction link. If you have a CMS-based website such as Joomla, WordPress, you can click on the instruction link to view the steps and details. Thank you for watching.